Hello all, here I am going to show you a simple interest program in Python. So first I comment a question. My question is first principal equal to 6,000, principal equal to 6,000, and rate equal to 3%, time equal to 2 years. And find out the simple interest. It's our question. Now close the comment. So let's start the solution. Program solution. Hash is also used for comment. So first principal is equal to 6,000. It's our first variable. Principal is variable and the value of the 6,000. Second variable is rate. Third variable is time. I create three variables and its value, and I put the formula SI equal to bracket open principal into time principal into rate into time bracket close upon 100, print SI. Save the program. Simple interest. And run it. Yes, see our solution.